Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called A Tractor Named Wilbur. Jim McNabb opened the barn door and smiled when he looked at the little red tractor. Wilbur, top-o the morning to you, Wilbur. I'm proud you've lived here all your life, said Jim, tipping his hat to the little red tractor. I met you 5 years ago and loved you right away. Good morning, thanks for tipping your hat to me, said Wilbur. He smiled and from headlight to headlight, Jim drove Wilbur into the barn. He took the soft cloth from his toolbox and polished the red tractor, then brushed his dirt off of Wilbur's tires. Your red paint looks as shiny as the first day I met you, Wilbur. Thanks for taking such good care of me, Jim. Wilbur rocked his tires. You're welcome, Wilbur. Remember the first time you mowed the grass, Wilbur? You stopped to ask Susie Squirrel why her cheeks were full of acorns when she could buy them all at a grocery store instead. One day, Jim opened the door to the barn. He didn't smile. He didn't say, top-o morning to you, Wilbur. Jim took a sad. Jim, you look sad. What's wrong? I wanted to buy the lot across the street and have my own vegetable farm, said Jim. That's exciting. Why are you so sad? Asked Wilbur. You feel awfully tired after mowing a big field like one across the street. You're getting older. You're getting older. Jim whispered. But if you got hurt, I'd be very sad. I need a new tractor. Wilbur's body shook. He opened his eyes wide. Tears trickled down his head like splashing onto the floor. Jim patted Wilbur. Don't worry, Wilbur. I'm going to find you a wonderful new home with someone who loves you as much as I do. I don't want to leave. Wilbur stomped his tires. The next morning, Jim came into the barn. Feeling better, Wilbur? Wilbur had tear stains on his headlight. Let's wash your headlights, said Jim. He washed Wilbur's lamps. Warm, soapy water. It's chilly today, said Jim. Let's put your blanket on. Jim opened his toolbox. He took out a fluffy blanket and put it on Wilbur. I love my blanket with my name on it, Jim. You're my best friend, Jim, said Wilbur. Sadly, we'll always be friends, and I'll visit you in your new home, said Jim. He looked at Wilbur with love and said, just imagine your new animal friends chatting with you and making you smile every day. You'll have a wonderful adventures to tell me about. Never thought of making new friends, Jim. I love animals. A new home might be fun with animal friends, but we all have sorts of adventures together, said Wilbur. Look, here's our pal Haiti, the chicken, and it looks like she's wearing a new bonnet. Hi, Wilbur. Why don't you adore my new bonnet? Said Haiti, twirling. He could admire it from every side. I'm tired after shopping. For the perfect yellow bonnet with polka dots. Can I take a nap on your seat? Wilbur looked up on his seat. Sure, Haiti. Haiti hopped on and fell asleep straight away. Wilbur looked at the sleeping Haiti and began thinking about the friends he might make at his new home. Will he meet a dog? Will he meet a cat? Maybe he'll meet a chicken just like Haiti. Wilbur could hardly wait to find out. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!